Hey guys, Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with just around 4,200 miles. If you're in the market for your first bike, this is it. Come check this one out. Very clean. All stock, nothing done to it. $4,200 miles, it's like nothing to it. Runs really nice. You'll hear it in a minute. Engine is bone stock. Good set of tires. Oil changes done to it. There are a couple of things only I would like to pinpoint. There's a scratch right here. It's just a little deep just for you to see. And then there's one right here. Like a crack. Go. This is in the sticker. That's about it. Comes with 2 sets of keys. Tires are in decent shape. $41.97. Engine sounds healthy, runs as it should. Super clean motor. You can come check it out at 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville, Illinois. And for more details, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.